OAC. OAC family is also called Graminae. OAC family is also called Graminae or grass family. Now we discussed about the Poaceae or Graminae or grass family classification. Class Monocotyledons. The monocotyledons are shows mainly four major characters. They are adventitious root system, parallel venation of leaves, trimerous flowers, embryo or seed containing single cotyledon called monocotyledon characters. Now series Glumaceae. Glooms like structures are present on the flowers. Glooms like structures are present on the flowers called Glumaceae series. The family Poaceae. The Poaceae is also called Graminaceae or Graminae. Now we discussed about some plants from this family. For the explanation of vegetative characters, floral characters, and economic importance characters. Bambusa bambus, Veduru. Bambusa bambus, Veduru. It is a fast growing plant. In plant kingdom, fast growing plant is only Veduru. The scientific name of Veduru, Bambusa bambus, fast growing plant. Oryza sativa, rice or paddy. Oryza sativa, rice or paddy. Sakaram officinarum, cheruku or sugarcane. Sakaram officinarum, cheruku or sugarcane. Sorghum vulgare, jonna. Sorghum vulgare, jonna. Triticum vulgare, goduma or wheat. Triticum vulgare, goduma or wheat. Gia maize, mokkajonna, maize plant. Gia maize, mokkajonna. These are some important plants from this family. So now let's be discuss about the distribution of Poaceae family. Poaceae is a largest family, one of the largest family in plant kingdom. More than 700 genera and 11,000 species are distributed all over worldwide. And in India, they are 239 genera, 1180 species are distributed in India. Now let's we discuss some plants, true plants. Oryza sativa, paddy. Oryza sativa, paddy. Bambusa bambus, Veduru. Bambusa bambus, Veduru. Sakaram officinarum, sugarcane, cheruku. Sakaram officinarum, sugarcane, cheruku. Sorghum vulgare, jonna. Sorghum vulgare, jonna. Triticum vulgare, goduma or wheat. Triticum vulgare, goduma or wheat. Gia maize, mokkajonna, maize. Gia maize, mokkajonna. Now we discussed about the vegetative characters with Oryza sativa plant, vegetative characters, floral diagram and floral characters. Now comes to the habit and habitat. Generally the Poaceae family plants are mesophytes, annual plants. Some plants are perennial plants, example Veduru. Remaining plants are annual plants. Shrubs or herbs. Shrubs are maize and herbs are paddy, goduma. Comes to the root system. Root system is adventitious root system. Adventitious root system present in the Poaceae family. In Gia maze, see here it is in the Gia maze. At lower part of node, see here it is the clearly visible lower part of node, roots are developed. These roots are called stilt roots. These roots are called stilt roots. These are developed from the lower part of node, lower node of shoot. These are gives mechanical support, additional mechanical support to the shoot. The stilt roots are developed from the lower node of the shoot. They gives additional mechanical support to shoot. Now comes to the shoot system. The shoot system shows nodes and internodes. See clearly visible. These are the nodes and internodes. Aerial, erect, green in color, herbaceous stems, smooth surface, and swollen internodes are present. Here it is the swollen internodes. These internodes are called swollen internodes. Smooth surface, swollen internodes, and unbranched shoots. Unbranched shoots are present in the Poaceae family. Now, pillotaxy. Here it is the pillotaxy, alternate pillotaxy. Alternate pillotaxy developed in all plants of Poaceae. Alternate pillotaxy means here it is one node developed one leaf and above node developed another leaf. They are in alternate position called alternate pillotaxy. Now comes to the leaf. The leaf is petulate, dorsiventral. Dorsiventral means dorsal side and ventral side, both sides are in similar color. This type of leaves are called dorsiventral leaves. Hairy surface and in Oryza sativa, the leaf surface is covered with silica chemical. So when we touch to the Oryza leaf surface, it rough to touch and a smooth surface present in the grass plants. Smooth margin, terminal apex with parallel venation. With parallel venation. In this family, the leaf base look like a sheeting like structure. So these leaf bases are called sheeting leaf base. Leaf bases are called sheeting leaf bases. And comes to the inflorescence. Mainly terminal inflorescence is present in the Poaceae family. In Gia maze, axial inflorescence also developed. And terminal inflorescence belongs to male inflorescence and axial inflorescence belongs to female inflorescence. Means in only Gia maze, unisexual flowers are developed. Unisexual flowers are developed. Terminal inflorescence belongs to male and axial inflorescence belongs to female flowers. The female flowers are developed from the cup-like structure called comb. Cup-like structure is called comb. Now, we discussed about the inflorescence. In Oryza sativa, spikelet inflorescence is present. The spikelet inflorescence divided into branches. Spikelet inflorescence divided into branches. On each branch is called rachis. Each branch is called rachis. On this rachis, flowers are present. On these rachis, flowers are present. In Gia maze, only unisexual flowers are developed. On terminal part, female flowers, and axial part, on terminal part, male flowers, and axial part, female flowers are developed. And comes to the flower. Here it is the flower. It is the flower character. Flower pedicellate. Stalk-like structure is present called pedicellate. Bracteate. The bracts are called glooms. Bracteate, bracteolate. Bracteate, bracteolates. These are called glooms. Sterile glooms and fertile glooms. Bracts are called sterile glooms Here these the bracts, these are called sterile glumes, and bracteoles are called fertile glumes. Bracts are called sterile glumes, bracteoles are called fertile glumes. Actinomorphic means the flower cut into two equal parts by the any longitudinal section. And complete flower, bisexual flower. Male and female sexual organs are present on the same flower, called bisexual flower. Except in Giamese. In Giamese, unisexual flowers are developed. Hypogynous flowers with superior ovary. Bracts are called sterile glumes. Bracteoles are called fertile glumes. The sterile glumes are present at lower part of the flower. From the axillary part of these sterile glumes, fertile glumes are developed. From the axillary part of sterile glumes, fertile glumes are developed. Below the fertile glumes are called lemma and palea. Lemma and palea. Fertile glumes are called lemma and palea. These are arranged in opposite manner. Below the lemma palea or below the fertile glumes, two perianths are present. Below the lemma or palea, two perianths are present. The perianths are called laudicules. The perianths are called laudicules. The laudicules are protected to the essential organs at early stage of flower. Sterile glumes, fertile glumes, laudicules. These three parts are protected to the essential organs at early stage of the flower. At early stage of the flower. Now comes to the androecium. Androecium number 6 in the Oryza sativa, 3 in the Triticum. These are the Dithecus, basifixed, intrors, longitudinal dehiscence. Dithecus, basifixed, intrors, longitudinal dehiscence. And the simple pollen grains are developed from the anthers. And comes to the Gynoecium. It arranged on the terminal part of the floral parts. It present at the center region. The ovary belongs to unicarpellary, uniloculate, uniloculate. The flowers belongs to hypogynous with superior ovary. In each ovary, only single ovule is present on the marginal placentation. Single ovule is present on the marginal placentation. And short style. The stigma divided into two arms. The stigma containing feathery stigma. Feathery hair-like structures are present on the stigma, so called feathery stigma. And pollination. See, before the explanation of pollination, nectary glands are absent in these flowers. So compulsory takes pollination by wind only. Here it is. Wind pollination is present. Wind pollination is present in this family, and fruit is coreopsis. Fruit is coreopsis, and the seed monocotyledon endospermic seed. Monocotyledon endospermic seed. Now we discussed about the Oryza sativa floral formula. Here it is bracteoles, BRL, actinomorphic, bisexual. P2, P means perianth 2, A6, anthers are 6, G1, hypogynous with superior ovary. And economic importance of Poaceae. Poaceae is the most economically important group of angiosperms. Here staple cereals, rice, wheat, oats, rye, corn. These are called cereals. And sugar is obtained from the sugar cane and sorghum. Alcohol is obtained from the Oryza, Saccharum, these Giamese. From these seeds, alcohols are obtained or synthesized, and other stuff Forage or fodder and fodder, paper building material, example bamboos. Papers are made from the bamboo shoots, and essential oils like lemongrass, ornamental and truff grasses. These are the major economic importance of the Poaceae family.